Excuse me. To do that. Thank you for buying this for me. I know it's kind of shit thing to do, but thank you.
Yeah, I mean, I was happy to help, but I really needed that money for rent.
Well, this is actually a social experiment. Here.
Okay. Why did you do that?
I know that seems really shitty. Chill, I got something for you. This was a social experiment. Here is Apple AirPods, brand new.
Thank you. You're not so bad.
Kindness wins.